I made a mistake.
No, Chris. I made the mistake.
Leave some morphine at my door, 'cause it would take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have. We don't have it anymore.